Welcome back to our Sailrite workbench. I know what you're thinking, this isn't our normal workbench. And you're right, today we're going to be working in a garage because we're starting a new automotive DIY series. And join with us today is our friend and car owner, Tyler. He's going to be helping us out with some of these videos. So let's get into it. In this car series, we will showcase 4 easy and quick projects to upgrade your car. We will be installing an insulator to the floor, sewing 2 boots, reupholstering a portion of the door panel, and reupholstering the headliner. In this first car series video, we will show you how to install Thermozite insulation onto the floor of a car. The first thing that you're going to need for this project is Thermozite. Thermozite insulation is an excellent heat and sound barrier. This material has 2 sides. The tough aluminum foil side provides a radiant heat shield, while the 1/4-inch thick jute carpet padding on the other side deadens sound. The amount of this material that you'll need is dependent on your application, so we recommend measuring your project first to determine this. Next, you'll need some general trim adhesive. This adhesive is fast-acting, has high strength, and it has excellent heat resistance, making it perfect for this car project. Lastly, you will need a measuring tool. We're going to be using 2. First, our clear acrylic ruler and a tape measure. You'll also need a marking tool and a cutting tool. For our cutting tool, we are going to be using the cordless rotary cutter because it's the perfect cutting tool for on-site projects where there isn't a workbench to work on. It's also great for cutting long runs of material. And since this material is quite thick, it will also be saving our wrists from fatigue. We've linked these tools and materials in the description below to make it easy for you guys to follow along. After we make sure that the flooring surface is clean, we're going to measure and mark our first panel of material. Since our car's flooring shape is very straightforward, we're going to just measure and mark our rectangles with a ruler and a marking tool. But if your car has a more complex shape or you would like to be extra precise, you can use a patterning material to pattern your Thermozite. Once we have our sizes written down, we are going to mark on our Thermozite and cut it out using our cordless rotary cutter. The next step of this installation is to apply our spray adhesive to the floor and material. We are going to install the Thermozite with the aluminum side facing up, so we are going to spray the carpeted side as well as the floor where it will go. Then we will carefully place the material into the car, being sure to adhere the whole surface of the material to the floor. We'll continue the same process for the rest of the flooring. For this tutorial, we are only going to add Thermozite to the floor of the car. You can add more to other areas of your car that you would like to soundproof and insulate, such as the ceiling or door panels. We hope that you have found this project helpful and it has inspired you to create something of your own. If you want to see the other projects in this automotive series, be sure to subscribe to our channel so that you'll never miss out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.